These crispy Kohlrabi Parmesan fries come out of the air fryer golden and salty, and they disappear in minutes. You need 2 kohlrabi, olive oil, garlic powder, paprika, a little cornstarch, and plenty of grated parmesan. Peel the kohlrabi generously, then cut it into even, fry-shaped sticks. Toast the sticks with olive oil, garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. Dust over the cornstarch and toss again. That's the secret to the crunch. Spread them out in the air fryer at 200 degrees for 20 minutes. While they crisp, finely grate a generous pile of parmesan. Scatter it over and air fry 5 more minutes until melted and golden. Serve them straight away while they're hot and shatteringly crisp with a quick parmesan mayo. The full printable recipe is linked below. Give it a try, and I'll see you in the next one, lovelies.